Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to show you how you can add border into your Excel. So friend, you can see this is my sample Excel, and here I'm going to add border, and I will guide you complete border settings so you will get the perfect idea about it. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel because I'm uploading this type of unique tutorials into my channel, so you will learn something new. So friend, let's jump into and how we can add border into my Excel. Okay, so friend, this is the sample Excel, and first of all, if you want to add border, you select the complete data which you want to add border. Okay, so friend, make sure you are clicked on the home tab which is available on the menu, and now you click here this bottom border. So first of all, we select the bottom border. What will be happen? You can see this is my record and border is showing in bottom. Okay, if you want to add only border into this, then what you will do, select the heading area and then click bottom border, so you can see this border is added over here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how we can add the different types of border into this. First of all, I'm going to select this column and then click here this border drop down arrow, so I will get the complete different things over here. Okay, so friend, you can see this is the top border, this is the left border, right border. Okay, and for example, here I'm going to add the right border, so you will get the idea about it. So friend, this is the right border we have added over here, and if maybe you want to add the left border, so what I will do, simply I'm going to select this column and then click here, and you can see the left border when you add here, so you can see this is my left border. Okay, and if you want to remove the border, then what you will do, select the data which you want to remove the border, select here, and now select no border. So friend, all the border will remove easily over here. If you want to add the complete border over here, just select the data which you want to add border. Now then click here and add all border, so you can see border is added the complete over here. Okay, if you want to add thickness or something into border, then what you will do, simply click here and now click thick outside border, so you will see this is little bit dark border over here. Okay, so here select, and now we are moving to this erase border, line color, and if you want to customize the color of the border, then you can easily select these things, so border will change automatically. Okay, so here I'm going to something like that. Here for example, when I draw here, so you can see this border is green right now, and if maybe I want to do the green border for only this, then select these things, so border color will change. Okay, so right now I'm going to remove this border so we get the perfect idea, and we will do once again complete things. So friend, now my border is going on, and here no border, and now here I'm going to customize little bit line border or something. So here I'm going to add these here, this way you can customize your border line or something if you want to add. For example, I'm going to select this one. Okay, and thickness if you want to increase or decrease, then you can do very easily. Click on this more border. Okay, and here you will see the complete detail about it. And now I'm going to select the colors which you want to change, so you can easily change the colors from here, and here you can see the complete detail like top border, bottom border, left, right, and all. Okay, so friend, this is the tutorial where you will easily customize your border, add border and all. So here I'm going to click OK, so you can simply draw, so border will showing like this. So friend, this is the tutorial where I want to show you how you can add border and customize their color and border thickness. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, click on this like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, if you're coming first time, please subscribe my YouTube channel because I'm uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me.